Welcome to this tutorial for Cisco Cybervision. In this tutorial we are going to cover the possibility to update the software version of your sensor using the sensor management extension. Cisco Cybervision leverages a unique two-tier architecture consisting of edge sensors and a central platform, called the center. In a typical scenario, many sensors will analyze network traffic passively and send the results of the analysis to the center. The center will process the inbound data, augment it further and provide access to the user and for integration into other platforms. The Cybervision sensor has an own software version. With new releases of the sensors, you need to consider updating your installation. There are different ways to do that. You can update your sensor using the local manager user interface of your device. In case of Docker-type sensors, you can leverage the command line of your Docker environment to do the same. You can also leverage the user interface and the sensor management extension of your center to do the update. If you don't yet know about the sensor management extension, I recommend watching the corresponding tutorial video. This tutorial will focus on using the sensor management extension. To start the process, log into your center and navigate to Admin in the main menu. Select Sensor and Sensor Explorer in the submenu. Note that all sensors listed have a red-colored version number and an update symbol next to their version number. If you hover over the icon, you will see an explanation of the update that can be applied to this sensor instance. You can now decide to either update sensor by sensor, or to run a bulk update. This type of update would apply the version change to multiple sensors at a time. To do a single update, select one sensor that indicates an available more recent version. Click on Update in the drawer. Confirm your selection and the versions to start the update process. With this being done, you just initiated the update process. The user interface will indicate the status to you. Once completed, you will see the updated operational status, as well as the new version number of this sensor. Alternatively, you might bulk update a group of sensors. To do that, select all the sensors you want to update. Select Update Sensors from the drop-down menu. Confirm your selection to initiate the update process. You can determine the ongoing update process by the spinning icon in the Update Status column. Once completed, the user interface will update the operational status, as well as the version number for all selected sensors. Thank you for watching this tutorial about updating the sensor software versions.